Hey, it's Jasmine. I'm here at Hamilton Elementary Middle School, and there are a ton of great things happening here. So let's go check them out.
Good job, Isaiah.
Amazing opportunities to learn hands-on in the garden, band, in the classroom. We just bring learning to life, and we live that every day.
Millions, da-da-da, 10 millions, da-da-da, 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 100 millions.
Right now, we're about to go into Miss McCarty's class where they're reading the book The Odyssey by Homer.
He claimed I had not served his father loyally, so I lay in wait for him by the roadside and spared him as he was coming into town.
What have you learned, through this book?
And it's about a man named Odysseus and his journey home from war in Troy back to Ithaca. When Odysseus was coming home from Troy to Ithaca, the gods didn't like him because at war he killed one of the gods' son named Polyphemus, and Poseidon tried to pretty much stop him from getting home.
This is the one that he blew.
I'm here with Savion, and he's trying the coleslaw they made. So what are your thoughts?
So my thoughts about this coleslaw is that it's very healthy and it makes you have good eyesight. And everybody should try this.
You're still drawing the P. Let me show you. Make a line over top of that.
Awesome.
Yes, how about
You did it. And you did your T
now you're going to
too.
draw a lowercase T.
I'm here with Zelatis, who is just in the PreK class helping little kids with their P's and T's.
Sometimes it's easy for them to say that they cannot do it, but sometimes you just have to assist them. They are looking up to me because in and out of school they see me and they say hi, so it's just not something that I see inside the classroom. They look up to me outside, so I have to be on my best behavior.
Now we're going to go into the art room where kids just finished up their project. I'm here with Cassidy, and he's going to talk to me about his artwork. Can you explain what the colors mean?
Sometimes I'm sad, sometimes I'm happy, sometimes I'm mad, sometimes I just do what I want.
Now let's go check out Mr. Legaspi's chemistry class.
Make sure that you always have a finger or a couple fingers on here so that you can find out if temperature in fact changes.
It's hot though, it's warmer. Feel it? It is, and it's cool.
So Jaya, what experiment are you guys working on?
Okay, so we're trying to determine if baking soda and road salt is soluble in water. I strongly believe that baking soda is soluble in water from previous experiments, but I don't think road salt is.
I've been so impressed with what the students are involved in, so why is that so important to you?
I feel that we have to offer our students everything, every opportunity that they can have, so that when they go into high school, they can compete with any other student, and that they are inspired to do great things in life, in high school, in college, and beyond.
My favorite thing about Hamilton is a lot of unity, and everyone gets along.
I like the art clubs and all the teachers. The teachers are really nice and they help us learn.
How to get better, on iReady and part tests.
In 7th grade, it gets you ready. It gets you prepared for everything.
I had a great time exploring, and I hope you did too. I can't wait to come back. This has been Jasmine LaPrade for the City School Student Media Team. See you next time.